when it comes to editing a music video, an editor can either ruin a music video or they can make it amazing. So find out some of the best tips and tricks on how to become a better music video editor in today's video. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video, I'm talking all about editing music videos and some of the top things that you need to know when it comes to editing a music video. Now, I know it sounds a little bit boring, but the first tip on how to become a better music video editor is to keep your edit nice and organized. This means rather than just throwing your footage in and starting editing, you want to create folders and bins and import your footage into specific folders. Now you can organize your footage by scene, by performance and storyline shots, cutaways. Organize it however you like. Just make sure you know exactly where your footage is, because by doing this will allow you to have a really easy and really organized workflow, and this will help to speed things up when you're editing. Tip number 2 is to edit a performance video first. If your music video contains performance and storyline shots, don't worry about the storyline shots to begin with. Structure your video up as a performance video and then edit your storyline shots in after. So let's say you have 10 performance shots. Organize all of those into different sections of the video. You want to differentiate different parts of the video for different performances. So have performances for the first verse and chorus, second verse and chorus, middle 8 or bridge, and then the final chorus. You want to bring everything back in. Now, once you've cut everything down, this is your point to go in and throw the story on top of the performance, and this will make life so much easier for you in the edit. By structuring your performance shots by verse, chorus, middle 8, chorus, and cutting everything down, you're going to be able to easily throw your storyline shots into your edit and make perfect sense of where everything should go. So tip number 2, edit performance first, add story later. Tip 3, edit to the music. I see it all the time and it's really frustrating, but when people cut to the offbeat or the cut doesn't quite match in time with the beat, it really feels out of sync and the video suddenly becomes disconnected from the track. So it's really important to listen to the music. Listen to it 100 times if you have to, understand what the music is doing, and follow the music and make the cut according to the track. Number 4 is to develop your own style. It's very easy to be inspired by some of our favorite video creators, but if you copy someone else's editing style, then you will be called up on it. Your video will be referenced as a copycat of somebody else's video. So take inspiration from people, but never directly copy someone. Develop your own editing style. This could mean having a specific set of editing VFX that you use. This could be a way that you cut the video. Just develop your style and use this style within your edits. Next tip is to keep it interesting. If you hold on shots for way too long, or if you're using the same performance shot throughout the entire video, then you're going to lose interest and people are going to click away. So regularly mix things up. Don't give everything at once. If you throw all of the performances within the first verse and then you have to use all of those performances for the rest of the video, people are gonna leave. They're not gonna be interested, they're gonna click away. So it's really important to keep refreshing the viewer's palette and keep giving them something new within the edit. Next tip is to save often, and I cannot stress this one enough. I've been there so many times. I've been through an edit, I'm like 3 hours into the edit, and the computer crashes and I've lost 3 hours of work when all I had to do was hit Command S. So every 15, every 20 minutes, every 30 minutes, just press the save button. Tip number 7 is to go easy on the effects. It's very tempting to throw all of the effects that you know at the video, but by doing this, you're going to overload the video. This basically means the storyline and the cinematography and the performance aspects of the video will be overshadowed by the effects. So the effects will actually ruin the video. So it's best to pick your favorite 2 or 3 effects and use them consistently throughout the video. So if you like glitch effects and whip transitions, then just use those 2 effects within your video. It will keep things nice and uniformed, it will give the video a style, and it won't make your audience go crazy seeing 1 million different effects. So tip number 7 is to go easy on the effects. And my final tip is to use time remapping, basically utilize slow motion. If the DP or the camera operator shot in a higher frame rate, then it means they were hoping for some slow motion action along the way somewhere. Now, this doesn't mean that the whole video has to be in slow motion, and it doesn't mean you have to have 4, 5, 6 seconds of a shot in slow motion. You can really connect the video to the audio by playing with the time of the footage. So if the track slows down a little bit and then it comes back up again, slow the footage down and then speed the footage up, do a speed ramp into the next section, and this is going to add a lot of character, energy, and style to your video. So my final tip is to use time remapping, Basically manipulate the speed of your footage to connect with the audio. And there you go. Those are my top 8 ways to become a better music video editor. If you found this video useful at all, or if it helped you in any way, then please do let me know in that comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, check out the previous video, and I will see you tomorrow for another brand new video. Thank you for watching.